Hi, my name is Doug Jefferson, and this is my Module 1 introductory video to EDL 851. First off, why I want to become a principal. This is going to be my 20th year in education at Augusta High School. I teach world history and geography, and after 20 years, it's time to do something different. I'm getting close to bottoming out on the pay scale, and this is just a different avenue I can take to change things up a little bit. Also, I have lots of experience in many different roles, which I'll get into here in a little bit. But because of my experience in those roles, I think I have a good foundation as to what it would take to be a good principal. Personal experiences with supervisory responsibilities. I'm currently the head baseball coach. I've also been the head middle school football coach. So I've been in charge of parent meetings, I've been in charge of kids, on the road, at different places. Also, I've been the department head at our high school there. I've served on several interview committees, most recently to find our new athletic director at the high school. I helped write and promote our school bond when we did it about 10 years ago. I also, as a part of that, I helped oversee the construction plan and worked hand in hand with the athletic director and the principal on our bond projects to see that they did get completed on time. Learned a lot during that as to what happens when something isn't completed on time, and that was a pretty good experience. Some lesser duties, I guess. Lunch duty supervisor. I've been involved in expulsion hearings, and I've been on numerous school committees, whether it's recertifying our school, new ideas, or things that we're going to try, new modules that we're going to try in our school, or new things that the state's passing. So lots of experience with supervisory roles. My personal experience with past evaluations have been good. I've been very lucky. We've had 3 principals since I've been at Augusta, and they've all been different, but they've all been good. They've been very thorough in explaining what they expect with the evaluations and what we should expect with it. The thing I don't like about past evaluations is the inaccuracy of them. Most of the principals or assistant principals that were in my room were only in there for 20 to 30 minutes, and we're on a block schedule, so we have a hour and 25-minute class, and they don't see the whole picture. So that's the only thing I really don't like, even though they understand what I'm doing. Not everything can be put on the iPad or checked off because they're not in there the entire time, all the time. What I found most beneficial was the follow-ups. The principals and assistant principals, the ones doing the evaluations, they understand what's going on. They understand what we're trying to do by looking at our lesson plans. I felt that the one-on-one time after my 3 evaluations, or the 3 times they're in my classroom, I felt they were more beneficial than anything. So overall, I've had good experiences with evaluations. And finally, my reflection. Because of my multiple experiences and having different administrators over the years, I think I have a good idea of what kind of culture I want to create, some different ways to create those cultures, and to let the teachers know that I'm there for them. I'm not there to dictate what they do, but kind of guide them and show them what's expected and get everybody on board, because it is a much better experience when a majority of the staff's happy instead of people bickering and complaining like I hear about at some other schools. So thank you very much.